Hello, welcome to 5.1, day 1. Today we're going to be writing an equation from a graph. So we're going to identify the y-intercept, and then we're going to calculate slope and write an equation. All right, here we go. Vocab, same as always. We got slope and y-intercept. We're going to figure out what slope is, and we're going to figure out what y-intercept is. Okay, so here's my example. So first things first, we got to figure out where the y-intercept is. So the y-intercept is kind of in the name. Here's the y-axis, and it intercepts where does the line that's on the graph intercept this yellow line? So let me go back to my pen. Here's the line I'm looking at. Where does my red line meet the yellow line? There it is. It meets at 8. So I can already have the second half of my equation. Y equals something x plus 8. All right, halfway done. So the y-intercept you can typically get without doing any math. It is just, you just look at it on the y-axis right here, and you see where the two lines intersect. Okay, so I got the 8 there. Next, I got to figure out slope. So I got to get two ordered pairs, and I got to calculate slope. So we could use this one, and that is 0, 8. And we can use another one in the crosshairs. Looks like this one is a good one. And remember, you start at 0. You go right first. So we're going to go 8. So this is going to be 8, and looks like it's 1 by 2. So 18. X, Y, X, Y. These come first. These come second. So y2 is 18 minus y1 is 8 over x2 is 8 minus x1 is 0. 18 minus 8 is 10. 8 minus 0 is 8. So I could divide both of these by 2. And I get 5 over 4. This number is slope. It goes right next to x. So you just put 5 over 4. Final answer, you're done. Let's do another one. This one looks weird. This is the fourth quadrant of a graph. So you can imagine here's the rest of the graph. Here are the positive numbers. Here are the other negative numbers. So our line, if you can imagine, goes like this. Okay. So we're going to be using this point and this point. Let's find the y-intercept. So this is the y. It goes up and down. This is my y-axis. Where does the blue line meet my yellow highlighted line? Right here. What is that? We got -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. So we got -10. So y equals something x minus 10. So again, the y-intercept is not, you don't have to calculate it. There's no math involved. You just write the number that you see. The one that touches this line. So right there. Next, we got to get our slope. So we got to use these 2 points. So this is 0, -10. And this one is 80, 0. Okay, so now we got to do y2 minus y1. So x, y, x, y. These come first. These come second. So I have 0 minus -10. And we have 80 minus 0. Now, careful, these are double negatives. This is saying we're taking away debt. When you take away debt, we are actually adding money. Like, you're getting rid of debt means you're getting money, you're paying off your debt. So this is actually going to turn into a adding problem. So remember KFC, we're going to keep, flip, change. So I got 0 plus 10. 10. 80 minus 0. 80. Let's divide both of these by 10. That gets me 1 over 8. And this is our slope. That goes right there. 1 over 8. Great job. All done. Let's just do one more. Okay. Where's that y-intercept? There's the y. Where's the dot? Looks like it was 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, so y equals something x plus 25. So let's use this point. We got 0, 25. And let's use this one because this one is not in a crosshair. So let's not use that one. So this one is 10, 0. X, Y, X, Y. These come first. These come second. If you're wondering why I'm putting the X's and Y's, why are they there? That's just how an ordered pair is. X goes first, Y goes second. They go in order all the time, same order. Y2 is 0 minus Y1 is 25. 10 is X2 minus X1 is 0. Some kids say 0 minus 25, you can't do that. Yes, you can. You're in 8th grade now. 0, take away 25 is negative 25. And 10 minus 0 is 10. Now, check your work. This line, is it going uphill or downhill? It's going downhill. So the slope should be negative. And I do have one number that's negative here. So that's all we need. Good job. Okay, let's simplify this. Let's divide by 5. Gets me negative 5 over 2. That can't be reduced anymore, so this is my slope, and that goes in for slope right here. So we got negative 5/2. Final answer. Let me know if you have any questions.